Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I understand that when it comes to working out, if there's no pain, there's no gain. But there are certain kinds of pain that I can definitely do without during my workout, and that's where this BalanceFrom exercise mat comes in. Before I got this exercise mat, I had a much thinner roll-up mat, and I used to find that during certain movements, my elbows, my knees, my hands, whatever parts of my body were making contact with it would sometimes hurt. This BalanceFrom is 2 inches thick, so I do not have that issue anymore. I find the density of the foam to be just right, because of course you don't want a foam to be so soft that you don't have stability during your movements. I'm able to do all kinds of workouts on this mat, and whatever point of contact I have with it, I feel very anchored and not wobbly at all. I tend to leave it open for any time I want to do my workout, but if I need to move it out of the way for some reason, it is super easy to fold it up and tuck it away. I can stay more focused on properly executing my workout movements now without being distracted by pain in my elbows, knees, or hands, thanks to this BalanceFrom exercise mat. And that's my point of view.